Unlock the comfort. Discover the world of ergonomic keyboards. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's essential for anyone who spends a lot of time typing on a computer. We're going to explore ergonomic keyboards. Whether you're writing, gaming, or just browsing, understanding what an ergonomic keyboard is and how it can benefit you is crucial. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets to more comfortable typing. An ergonomic keyboard is designed to provide a more natural and comfortable typing experience compared to traditional keyboards. The key feature that sets it apart is its unique design, which often includes a split layout and curved keys. These designs aim to reduce strain on your hands, wrists, and arms, which is essential for preventing injuries like carpal tunnel syndrome or repetitive strain injury, RSI. Ergonomic keyboards offer several benefits that can make a significant difference in your computing experience. Here are the key advantages. Reduces strain. By aligning with the natural position of your hands and wrists, these keyboards minimize stress and discomfort. Increases comfort. The unique shapes and cushioned palm rests support longer periods of typing without discomfort. Improves posture. Encourages a more natural hand and arm position, which can positively affect your overall posture. Enhances productivity. With reduced discomfort, you may find yourself typing more efficiently and for longer periods. When choosing an ergonomic keyboard, there are several features to consider. Split design. A keyboard that splits the keys into two halves can help keep your wrists in a more natural position. Key arrangement. Look for curved or angled key layouts that match the natural movement of your fingers. Adjustability. Some models offer adjustable angles and separations between the keyboard halves for a customized fit. Additional support. Features like wrist rests and tactile key feedback can also enhance the typing experience. We hope this video has illuminated the world of ergonomic keyboards for you. Adopting an ergonomic keyboard can be a game changer, especially if you spend a lot of time at your desk. It's not just about comfort. It's about your health and productivity too. Remember, the best keyboard is one that suits your specific needs and typing habits. So, consider giving an ergonomic keyboard a try and feel the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Stay comfortable and keep typing efficiently.